Hi guys, it's DK388. Welcome back to another video, and in today's episode we have the Lavazza MilkEasy Frother. Just a shout out to a friend for letting me borrow it for the weekend. Just unbox and a review on this kitchen appliance. So it's a milk heater and frother using a magnetic whisk, which is a very interesting feature, and it can make to complement your espresso and coffee, and maybe hot chocolate as well. So here's the box dims for any online purchases, and then just open it up. What we have is the base, and got a quick start guide, and there's actually 3 recipes really, which is hot milk foam, hot milk, and then the cold milk foam. So we have the device itself, it's made of a nice thermoplastic in black and quite smooth. Internal single button operation, and got like an internal non-stick container which is fixed to the appliance. It's not removable, and this is like a mini cordless kettle base. It's 460 watts, and then we've got the actual lead. It's about 50 centimeters. This is the the magnetic whisk, which spins freely inside and sticks to the inside of the container. And then we've got the lid. As you can see, the 3 one button operation using different sort of clicks. And inside the non-stick container's got a level with different sort of milk levels. You just stick the whisk in, put your milk in, stick on the base, and just, depending on what recipe you want, just click the button. So this is sped up 10 times just for the video, and there is a link in the description if you're in the UK, if you want to purchase this. And then here we go, this is the milk, extremely frothy, and I'll see what sort of cappuccino we can get, or latte. So I just think there's a bit of milk, and then it's just a lot of froth. I think it's going to be more of a Mr. Whippy coffee than anything else. So that's just the first attempt, and obviously need a bit more milk. So we'll do a second attempt this time. So in actual fact it takes about probably 2 minutes for a cup of milk to froth and whisk up. Give this another go. Bit more milking this time. It automatically stops once it beeps. The milk is quite hot, but you have to use a wooden spoon just to scoop out all the froth that's stuck in the bottom. So this one's definitely a Mr. Whippy. And then we'll just probably give it a bit of a sprinkle of some chocolate powder. Now just pan the camera down, and you can see it's a bit of a mountain on the coffee. And the whisk itself is hand clean only, so don't put it in the dishwasher. Mostly this is fixed, so it's got to be hand cleaned. Just a nice easy rinse, and then just to dry down some kitchen towel. Thanks for watching.